Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fish stew that's so easy to prepare and perfect for family meals. For the ingredients, we'll need 2 large onions, 2 large tomato, garlic, ginger, bell pepper and chili, and our spices as well. So in the pan, we'll add in vegetable cooking oil. While the oil is heating, we'll go ahead and start chopping our onions. So guys, after chopping the onions, we'll go ahead and add it into our heated pans. So guys, in case you're new here, you're most welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by and watching my video. So please comment down below, like, share with your friends and subscribe for the newcomers. So thank you so much for watching the video. So in the pan, I've added our chopped onion, and I'm going to let the onion cook until it is golden brown. So first we'll go and start chopping our ingredients. After chopping all the tomato, ginger, garlic, bell pepper and chili, we'll add it all in one blender, and then after blending it, we'll pour it into our fried onion, guys. After adding in the pan, our blended tomato, we'll go ahead and season our sauce. So first I've added in cassia stick with cinnamon stick, next seasoning cube and the spices, guys. So we'll go ahead and stir the spices into the sauce and let it melt into the sauce very well. After that, and then we'll cover it and let it cook in a low heat. So next we're gonna start cleaning our fish, and while the sauce is cooking in a low heat, guys. So guys, the fish is all clean. As you can see, it's very clean. The stew is ready. As you can see, the oil is bubbling up. That shows that our stew is ready. So we'll go ahead and add in our fish into the stew, guys. So after that, we'll turn the fish before adding our water into the stew. I prefer cooking my fish like this because when you turn it, all the ingredients and the spices will go into the fish very well. So yeah, and then after that I'll cover it and let it cook in a low heat for 10 minutes. So our fish will be ready after 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna wash our vegetables. So this vegetable is called sukuma wiki. So when you're cleaning the sukuma wiki, you need to be mindful and wash it thoroughly because there's a lot of sand into it. So to avoid you from eating biting sand, as you can see, that's the sand in the water. Yeah, there's a lot of sand. So I've washed it for many times for me to remove the sands off, guys. So I'll go ahead and chop the vegetables. So for me, I prefer preparing my sukuma wiki with the stem. If you're cutting it off, guys, you're wasting the nutrient of the vegetable, guys. So in case you haven't tried to cook your sukuma wiki with the stem, please try it out. It's very delicious. Yeah, don't waste it. That's the main part of the vegetable, guys. Yeah, anyway, everyone have their means of cooking, but for me, I prefer preparing it like that, guys. So yeah, so this sukuma wiki will be as a side dish. Yeah, so yeah, you need to chop it in a small pieces so that will be easy for you to cook it. It will cook within 5 minutes. It will be ready. So in a pan, I also added our onion and frying it in a medium brown, and then after that we'll go ahead and add in our chopped sukuma wiki, guys. Yeah, so as you can see, the sukuma wiki, I'm cutting it in a very small pieces. Yeah, so our onion is ready. So into the onion I added warm water to melt down the onion a little bit, and then stir it. So yeah, and then I'll go ahead and add in the chopped sukuma wiki. So yeah, bit by bit, and then after that I will season it with salt, with a little bit of seasoning cube, and cover it and let it cook in a low heat. Guys, what do you think about this video? Please comment down below and give it a thumb up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that next time when I upload new video, you'll be the first one to be notified and you'll never miss out of the delicious recipe, guys. So yeah, so we are going to prepare our ugali, guys. This is my favorite food, guys. So we're gonna have our fish stew and sukuma wiki with ugali. So I'm going to make the ugali. So ugali, this food is known as ugali in East Africa, but we call it in my language linya. For those people who speak Madi language, they understand it. So yeah. Karibu, chakula tayari. So guys, our food came out so delicious, as you can see it. Oh my god, the aroma was so delicious, guys. So yes, in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that next time when I upload new video, you'll be the first one to be notified and you'll never miss out of a recipe, guys. So God bless you. See you into my next video. Bye bye.